From the moment we are born, we take our first breath, a gift so basic yet so profound. Breathing is life. It's the invisible force that fuels our bodies, a silent symphony playing within us. Every cell in our body needs oxygen to function. Without it, we wouldn't last minutes. Think of the most exciting things in the universe. Black holes, exploding stars, the Big Bang. None of that matters if you can't breathe. But how often do we think about this simple act? We breathe in, we breathe out, thousands of times a day, without a second thought. Today, let's explore the fascinating world of our respiratory system. This intricate network of organs works tirelessly to keep us alive. It's a journey into inner space even more amazing than the cosmos. Imagine a complex wind instrument with tubes and chambers all working together to create music. That's kind of like your respiratory system. It all starts with the nose and mouth. They're like doorways for air to enter our bodies. The air then travels down the trachea, a tube that leads to the lungs. The trachea branches off into two bronchi, one for each lung. These bronchi keep branching smaller and smaller, like the roots of a tree, until they reach tiny air sacs called alveoli. Think of these alveoli like millions of tiny balloons. The lungs are where the magic happens. It's here that oxygen from the air we breathe enters our blood, and it's also here that carbon dioxide, a waste product, is removed from the blood. Breathing isn't just about taking in air, it's also about letting it go. This two-part process is called inhalation and exhalation. When we inhale, our diaphragm, a strong muscle below the lungs, contracts and flattens. This creates more space in the chest cavity, allowing the lungs to expand and draw in air. When we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and returns to its dome shape. This compresses the lungs, forcing the air out. Think of squeezing a balloon. The air has to go somewhere. This constant exchange of gases keeps our bodies in balance. Just like a car needs regular maintenance, so does our respiratory system. Unfortunately, this amazing system can encounter problems. Asthma, for example, causes the airways to narrow, making it difficult to breathe. Bronchitis, another common ailment, inflames the lining of the bronchial tubes. But don't worry, there are plenty of things we can do to keep our lungs healthy. Not smoking is probably the single most important thing you can do. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding polluted air also help. Think of it this way, you only get one set of lungs, so treat them right. Remember, every breath is a gift. By understanding how our respiratory system works and taking steps to keep it healthy, we can breathe easy and enjoy life to the fullest.